A startup supported by the Department of Science and Technology of the Government of India has developed inexpensive test kits for early diagnosis of COVID-19 in rural and resource-deficient areas. It is a rapid antigen test kit prepared by the startup Patanjali Pharma, incubated by IIT Mumbai. The COVID-19 test kit is priced at a low price of Rs 100. Patanjali Pharma was supported under DST's Center for Augmenting War with the COVID-19 health crisis, CAWACH. The test kit is based on examination of samples taken from the nose and saliva and gives results in 10 to 15 minutes. The startup plans to rapidly conduct antigen tests in rural and remote areas starting June 2021 using these affordable test kits. This kit will also be effective in clinics and areas where pathology labs are not available. These indigenous resources can be helpful in early diagnosis of COVID-19 and in controlling the pandemic.